Welcome. In today's counseling session, we are going to see about sleep and health. In this video, we are going to see why sleep is necessary, what are the effects of sleep deprivation on your body, what are the causes of loss of sleep, and finally, the factors which improve sleep. Let's see why sleep is necessary. Sleep is necessary for sharper brain. Sleep plays important role both in learning and memorizing. It makes your brain sharper. Next point, sleep improves your mood. Sleep is a mood booster. Sleep refreshes your mood. Good sleep induces more positive mood. Healthier heart. When one sleeps, pressure goes down. Heart and blood vessels take a bit of rest. So sleep is very much essential for a healthier heart. So if you sleep properly, your heart also feels happy and it's healthy also. Steadier blood sugar. During deep sleep, amount of glucose in blood drops and it is very much essential. So for a steadier blood sugar, sleep is very much essential. Germ fighting. Good sleep keeps the immune system alert, which helps in germ fighting. Weight control. When you are well rested, you are less hungry and you eat less and your weight is in control. Now let's see few effects of sleep deprivation on your body. Let's see one by one. Memory issues. Loss of sleep causes trouble with thinking and concentration. Without sleep, it's tough to focus and take new information. And brain doesn't have enough time to store memories properly. So a lack of sleep can negatively impact both short and long-term memory. Usually, students think that if we wake up and study, we can study in a better way. But it's wrong. Without proper sleep, it's tough to focus. Our brain will not take new information and it will not store properly. So, lack of sleep results in memory issues. Mood change. Without sleep, our mood changes. Mood swing, hallucinations, anxiety, suicidal thoughts, depression. All this come because of lack of sleep. High pressure and risk of heart disease. Loss of sleep increases the risk of high blood pressure. As already told, sleep is very much essential for giving our blood vessels and our heart rest. Without proper rest, our pressure also increases. It also increases the levels of chemicals linked to inflammation. This results in heart diseases. Next point is risk of diabetes. A lack of sleep affects your body's release of insulin. People who don't get enough sleep have higher blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Weak immunity. Next point is very much important. Too little sleep weakens your immune system's defense against viruses, like those that cause the common cold and flu. You might have noticed the days you are awake, more awake, the next day or the following days, you catch common cold or you catch flu very easily. So, lack of sleep results in weak immunity. Weight gain. This may look funny, but it's true. With sleep deprivation, the chemicals that signal to your brain that you are full are off balance. As a result, you are more likely to eat more, which results in weight gains. Actually, though you are full, but your hormones say you are not full, so you're likely to eat more, which result in weight gain. Even this may be true for more sleep also. If you sleep more also, that will also result in obesity. Now let's see causes of loss of sleep. All we know about our own causes. We may be suffering from loss of sleep, but let's see some common reasons. This list is endless. Stress, anxiety, worries, fear of future, fear of exam, fear of tomorrow, tension, depression, family issues. These are few reasons which result in loss of sleep. And the latest in the list are mobile phone and social media. This take a lot of time of youth and students. They are awake because of mobile phone and social media. Some play games and some use social media and they are awake and lose important time of sleep. Consuming too much caffeine just before bed or few hours before sleep, if you consume too much caffeine, that will also result in loss of sleep. Now let us see factors which improve sleep. Limiting daytime nap. It's better to avoid completely daytime nap, because if you sleep in day, you may end up loss of sleep at night. So this is very much essential to limit daytime nap or totally avoid daytime nap. Next important point is going to bed at the same time each night and waking up at the same time every morning. This is very much essential for a healthy living. So it may look difficult, but with due practice, this is very easier. So going to bed at the same time each night and waking up at the same time every morning, this should be the practice. Spending an hour before bed doing relaxing activities such as reading, meditation, this will improve sleep. Avoiding heavy meals within few hours before bedtime. This is a common cause of loss of sleep. But if you avoid such a heavy meal within few hours of before bedtime, that will improve your sleep. Refraining from using electronic devices right before bed. No need to say much about this. We all know this causes loss of sleep. So if you avoid them just before bed, definitely sleep improves. So finally, sleep helps to maintain many vital functions of the body. Sleep helps many restorative functions such as tissue repair, muscle growth and protein synthesis. So sleep well, stay healthy. Thank you very much.